A while back I got a new backpack. My old one it's starting to fall apart, and I've been using it for 10 or 12 years, so I had to get a new one. I packed it up with about 10 kilos of equipment. It's not my full payload, but it's just for a first test to see how it performs when I'm walking a bit longer distances. In this mini review I will also insert a few clips from when I got the backpack earlier this year in the summer, just to show you a bit more of the different compartments and what the backpack looks like. So I'm trying out the new backpack I got a while ago to see how it handles weight, or to see how I handle the weight, to be exact. So I'm out doing a quick walk around the 5-kilometer track in a nearby forest, and the weather is very dark, gloomy, rainy, but it's still a really nice day, and actually I kind of prefer this type of weather for taking pictures in the forest. So this is my old backpack, the Lowepro, and this is the new Mindshift Gear Backlight 36 liter. I was kind of worried that the new backpack would be too small compared to my old one, but actually it seems like it's even bigger than the old one. One of the problems with the old one is that the zippers started acting up about a year ago. I tried replacing them, but it's not really a possibility. And also the walls are kind of soft, so it's good when you're trying to get as much stuff in it as possible, but it's bad for the ergonomics when you're carrying it, and also for closing the zippers. So the backlight opens from the back. The first impression is that the zippers are really good compared to the old one. You can see the size. They're quite heavy duty compared to the old one. That's not really good. Looking at the size of the bags, it's not going to be a problem to fit my gear in the new one. I think it will be even better than the old one. It seems I need a rain cover for my backpack. It wasn't included. Well, that wasn't true. There is a rain cover included. I just it slipped my mind. There is a nice little rain cover. There are also a lot of small compartments in the backpack, so you can pack it away pretty much anywhere you like. So I think I'll just put the rain cover on soon. I'm also not sure how well my R6 will handle the rain, because it's getting quite wet by now. So I think I might have to pack up the camera for now. And as you can see, I can even fit my Sigma 500mm lens with my 7D Mark II, as well as the Canon 300mm f4, my 6D with a 24 to 105mm lens, and there is still room for a 135mm lens and my microphone. As far as ergonomics, after these few first kilometers, what I found is that the backpack is very comfortable, but it's a bit too tall for me. My old backpack was a bit wider, not that tall. So for me to get it to sit where I want it, I have to lift it quite high up and tighten the shoulder straps a bit more than I would like. But other than that, it's a very good fit, and shoulder straps are wide, soft, padded, so it sits quite well. So there are two ways of attaching your tripod. You could either use these side pockets and secure the tripod with this cord here, but there's also a dedicated tripod pocket here and one on the top that you secure it with. It's getting really dark now. It's not very late actually, it's just Swedish winter gets dark very early. I think it's probably around 3 p.m. right now. So it's time to head back. We've completed the 5-kilometer trail, and it went pretty well, I think. There were no actual problems with carrying the backpack for that far. So next time I think I will try longer distance or maybe some more weight.